Hello, fearless drivers. Kelly here to show you how to complete an on-demand ride with Safr. You will get requests for an on-demand rides if you're online and have the ride toggle in the swipe up menu turned on. When you receive a ride request, you can press the accept button to accept it or hit the cross at the top to decline it. We will let the rider know when you accept the ride request. You will have to wait for their acceptance. Navigate to the rider's pickup location. Take the color match tutorial or skip it. When you get to the pickup location, colors will be randomly assigned to you and your rider. Tell your color to them, ask them for their color, and press the Select Rider's Color. Tap on the rider's color. Hit Start. Navigate to the drop-off location. In case of emergency, you can use the SOS button. Press the End Ride button upon arrival at your destination. The app will show you the ride fare and your earning from it. Rate the rider and share your experience on Facebook. Drive on!